Rhynia. Rhynia fossils. Rhynia is a pteridophyta fossils. When we show Rhynia systematic position, division is Phaseolophyta, class is Phaseolophytopsera, order Phaseolophytes, family Rhyniaceae and genus Rhynia. First of all, keystone and length. Discover Rhynia in Scotland of Middle Devonian. Rhynia fossils is well preserved and give detail of all plant body, part and structure and also anatomy. Rhyniaceae family. Rhyniaceae family have only two species are there, Rhynia major and Rhynia guanivagani. Till then, we have only two species of Rhynia, Rhynia major and Rhynia guanivagani. We talk about Rhynia major and Rhynia guanivagani. Rhynia major is larger in size from Rhynia guanivagani. But Rhynia major and Rhynia guanivagani is similar. All plant body. Full plant body is similar to each other. Well, plant body is erect, dichotomy, branch, rhizome, adventitious root are is there. Also in Rhynia guanivagani, plant body is erect, dichotomy, branch, adventitious root and rhizome is there. When we talk about arm major is 50 cm in height and 1.5 mm to 6 mm in diameter. When guanivagani 20 cm length and 1 mm to 3 mm in diameter. We talk about plant body. Plant body is leafless, rootless. We have only rhizomes and sometimes adventitious root, but mostly we show rhizome. Rhizome is unicellular and aerial branch is dichotomy. Dichotomy branch consists on tip sporangia. Sporangia consists on tip. When we talk about sporangia are detached from plant and develop one another plant as a Rhynia parent plant. Now we talk about stem and root anatomy. Stem and root anatomy also is similar. Notice any change of in root and in stem. Stem anatomy as compared as the root anatomy. We talk about stem anatomy. This is a structure of stem anatomy. It is the internal structure of stem. Stem has a cuticle. Cuticle is not thick, thin cuticle is there. We have a epidermis. Epidermis is made of by parenchyma, the longitudinal cell. After that, we show the epidermis is have a stomata, and also stomata have a subsidiary cell and guard cell. Epidermis continuity broken by stomata. Many stomata is there in the epidermis. We also in this diagram we have 4 stomata, but in real stomata, many stomata consist in epidermis. After that we get hypodermis. Hypodermis also made of parenchyma, but hypodermis is not have a intracellular space. And in no intracellular space, you also show in diagram not in intracellular space is there. It also known as the outer cortex. After that outer cortex means hypodermis, we get inner cortex. Inner cortex have a rounded parenchymatous cell. We have inner cortex have a large inner cortex has a large intercellular space. and after that we get phloem. Phloem with 4 to 6 layer is also parenchymatous cell, and xylem is xylem is their center. This type of stele we known as a protostele, means haplostele, because of xylem surrounded by phloem. Xylem surrounded by phloem. Xylem in center and outer side 4 to 6 layer phloem. No pith are there, and also no endodermis and pericycles are there. Is not distinguishable. This is a structure of root and stem anatomy. I also say that root and stem anatomy are similar, but I also xylem is consist tracheids, only tracheids, no xylem vessels, no xylem parenchyma, only tracheids, and these tracheids have an annular thickening of tracheids, and this structure of stem anatomy. When we talk about sporangia have a jacket layer,